Hello everyone, my name is Angelica Farias and this is my presentation on the 3 levels of culture. So my first slide is on the concrete level. So here I have Dia de los Muertos, which is a holiday. Usually there's festivals for this holiday, and the flower or the marigold is very common. And here's a picture of my daughter with her face painted. Um, some common A common food that we have is pozole blanco, for basically like any birthday, any holiday. And here are some shoes that are also, I guess, considered culture. For the next slide, for the behavioral level, well, we speak Spanish. Usually the older people in my family only speak Spanish, but we are usually bilingual, Spanish and English. We are expected to help our elders, just like in this picture, just from pretty much anything, walking in the house or helping put on a seatbelt, anything like that. And here's a kind of like a gender role. A woman is expected to basically, well, take care of the household and then also work. The symbolic level, well, religion is very important. My family is Catholic. Also, family gatherings are very important. So here's a family picture of my husband, his brother, my sister-in-law, and here's another gathering for my son's birthday party about like 2 years ago. And that's all. Thank you.